Listen. Self-improvement isn't a dramatic movie scene, it's not one big decision that suddenly changes your life, it's small. Quiet, almost invisible, it's waking up 10 minutes earlier, it's choosing to read one page instead of scrolling, it's doing 5 push-ups when your body says, not today. It's studying one concept more when your mind says, no, enough. Real progress doesn't shout. It whispers, and here's the truth nobody tells you: at first, you won't see results, you'll work, you'll try, you'll show up, and it may feel like nothing is changing, but something is changing, your discipline is growing, your identity is shifting, you are becoming the kind of person who keeps promises to themselves. Think about it like planting a seed, you don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing, you water it. You protect it. You trust the process. Growth happens underground, before it shows above the surface, and yes, discomfort will show up, you'll feel awkward when you try something new, you'll feel tired when you push your limits, you'll doubt yourself when results are slow, but discomfort is not a stop sign, it's a sign you're expanding. The gym burns because muscles are growing, the brain hurts because it's learning, the heart races because you're stepping outside your comfort zone. That's not failure, that's transformation in progress. You are capable of more than your current results. Your potential is bigger than your present situation, but potential means nothing without action, so don't wait for motivation, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until you feel ready. Take one step today, just one, make the call, read the page, start the workout, apply for the opportunity, write the first paragraph. Small steps, done daily, create unstoppable momentum, and one day, you'll look back and realize, it wasn't one big leap that changed your life. It was the small choices you made when no one was watching. So here's your moment, right now, take one step forward today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today, your future self is waiting for you to begin.